This is gorgeous.
Probably the best area on the island. One of, for sure.
Yeah, one of.
Manoa is one of the oldest neighborhoods in all of Oahu.
It has original owners with original construction, old homes. It has newer families. It has multi-generational families. It has new construction, newly renovated.
So when a house comes up, everybody is jockeying to get that property.
The street is nice, the neighborhood's nice.
I mean, look.
But the house is really cool. So where did this come from?
It's an off-market house. The son that inherited this house, he reached out. His name is Courtney. We had a super good conversation. Courtney?
Hey, how's it?
Yes. How are you?
Good. One of the things about selling this house is that both my mom, she passed away. The house is vacant, but there's a lot of stuff in there that I can't manage.
He lives in Hawaii Kai. His mom actually just passed away.
Oh, I mean, I like it. It's super mid-century. It's very unassuming.
He did mention that the inside doesn't look like the outside does. So he's asking for 1.2. In this area, that's not a crazy price at all.
So is anybody meeting us here?
No, so he left the key for us. He said we can go check it out.
Let's go.
Okay. Wow.
Honey, I'm home.
What do you think?
It's like mid-century original.
The most mid-century house.
I love the vaulted ceilings.
It's original,
But look how good it is. Like, you would need to get the paneling off the walls. You would need to pop in cans and lighting.
There are crazy artwork on the walls.
I know. This is great. I want to look at the kitchen.
Okay.
Ew, the floor is sticky.
There's an inch of dust.
It's not just dust, it's grease. Dusty grease. Some apple cider vinegar.
It's probably 20 years old.
This kitchen, this is too tight though.
It's a tiny kitchen. It's the guest bath.
It's a baby tub.
Oh, look how much rust is in there. What's on the walls?
I don't know.
This definitely needs some work.
Not cute. All right. Bedroom. One.
Must have been where she stayed. Okay, so this is the last bedroom upstairs. The primary. Every room has all of this stuff in it.
What's behind this door right here?
This is a bathroom. This is the primary.
Is it a full bathroom?
No, it's not. It's a half bath. So we still gotta go downstairs.
I know. Oh my gosh.
So you know what I'm thinking?
Multi-gen.
100%.
There's a whole nother unit down here.
Think about it. Kitchenette in the corner. Enough room for 3 bedrooms down here.
I mean, this is a lot of space. It could totally work.
Manoa is a really desirable area, and it attracts a lot of multi-generational families. If we renovate the house with that in mind, I think we'll definitely find a buyer.
I'm gonna go outside.
Okay, so houses are selling in this area at 1.8.
Yeah.
And we're buying it for 1.2. Put in how much?
Max 250.
After closing, selling, money cost, we're still making like $300,000.
It's a no-brainer, babe. It's a legit great deal.
I'm just gonna go and call him.
Lock it up.
It has been 5 days.
The house in Manoa is officially ours.
We ended up getting the house for $1.25 million. As with most of the houses that we buy, we purchase these properties as is. That means that any issues that we come across throughout this project, they all fall on us.
We're planning a 12-week timeline and a renovation of $250,000. There it is. Now that I see all of this open, I want to start the cabs right at the garage door and then do an L and then do an island where the stairs are now. Move the stairs to that side of the house. Because this is dead space, I'd also like to add a bar area over here. will be a part of the dining room.
Got it.
And then this will be a big window, let more breeze in, right in from both sides. See any issues with doing that?
No,
No?
easy.
Let's go take a look downstairs. I want to try and figure out the layout.
The big value at the Manoa house is the fact that downstairs could be a totally separate unit. Man, there's so much space down here.
It's huge.
Got any ideas for layout?
I think we put a bedroom in this corner.
So we keep hallway going down.
Keep hallway going down.
We have a bedroom back there, bedroom on this side.
Correct.
Then the bathroom right in front of the bedroom.
Yep.
This is all living space.
Now we can actually walk into the bathroom. It steps up. Oh, you hit your head on the light.
Yeah, we got to get rid of this step up.
I know, totally. And then going down the hallway, you have bedroom at the end of the hall and a bedroom on the right-hand side and then a bathroom.
I like it. Living, laundry, and kitchen down on that side.
Yeah, while sticking with a boho modern design. Do you see these two different heights? Like we can't fit cabs and countertops under here.
That's a big problem.
Why am I only catching this now? They're almost done with the siding. Oh my gosh, we have to reframe, reside, new windows. I need you to come over here. We have an issue with the dry bar windows. There's a problem.
I'm like 5 minutes away.
Okay, see you soon.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
What's going on?
These windows are the problem. The windows are supposed to be at this height so that we can have cabinets and countertops for a dry bar. Where they are currently at,
They're just too low.
they're way too low. But my biggest concern is the siding because it was custom ordered. It took a month to get here.
To basically change this out, we're looking at about $5 grand. But I don't know how long it's gonna take to get the siding here. Last time it took about a month.
We cannot wait a month.
I'm gonna go make some phone calls and figure this out because I think we need this dry bar right here.
Okay, I'm gonna go look around downstairs.
I just placed an order with you guys for vinyl shake siding about a month ago. I need to place more. I need 3 boxes.
With this product, we're not able to ship it individually. It only comes in pallet form.
Is there any way you can check if there's any open boxes or somebody returned product?
I can check and we can circle back with you end of day or tomorrow.
Please, please, please go and check and call me back. Thank you so much.
The guys are finally able to install drywall after the window debacle. We lost about a week, which has eaten into our budget, $5,000, but that's manageable as long as we stay on track.
This is the situation.
It's always annoyed me, but it's a part of the foundation, so it's not like we can just remove it.
Right. So what I want to do, make it actually usable and feel like it was meant to be there. I
So
want
what
to
do
do
you-
a built-in, like a TV built-in situation. This downstairs area needs to function like the whole separate house, especially for multi-gen buyers. So the living space needs to be just as nice as upstairs. You basically have 3 shelves. This is open and you can mount a TV in the middle, but then we can put like that wood slat situation because you know I'm doing wood slats here.
Your feature, you're gonna put it in behind the TV.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It's perfect. It makes this not a weird ledge space that people have to try and figure out. We figured it out for them.
I can get behind that.
Cool. How long will it take you?
2 shakes.
That's not an answer. That's a Devin answer.
Where do you think I got it from?
Shim sham shoom. Poof,
Oh yeah.
done.
Shim, sham, shoom. Done.
The crew has moved on to drywall, but we're still way behind schedule.
Outside, the crew is pouring cement on the new front step, and they're laying sod in the front yard. Work is almost complete on the feature wall, and downstairs, Travis is putting finishing touches on the built-in entertainment center. Cabinets and counters for the kitchen and the wet bar are getting installed. Having utility areas on both floors like this makes it easier for multi-generations to live in this house and not feel cramped on top of one another.
What's up? What's up, brother?
Good, 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 good.
How you doing?
Good.
Even though we're not spending a ton of money on the yard because it's already in good shape, I do want to do something over here on this concrete pad to really elevate the space. I was thinking that we do like just a custom privacy wall.
Some wood.
Right, then we can stage this outdoor as like an outdoor living area.
We can get that done for you, bro. Now she wrote.
Hey guys.
Of course, there's excitement to show off what you did to a home, but like, what if they hate it?
Oh.
Well, I'm excited to show you the house.
So
Yeah.
So beautiful.
it's wonderful. It's never looked like this ever.
Yeah. We kept basically the same facade. We moved the door, but
I like that.
New siding, new windows, new roof.
I like that particularly. It looks like a mini patio.
well, I'm excited to show you the inside.
And I wonder if you'll notice any of the things we decided to bring back into the home.
I will,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah,
For sure.
yeah.
All right, well, let's go inside.
Yeah,
Thank
let's
you.
go check it out.
Cool. Unbelievable. You did an excellent job. That picture looks wonderful.
My good buddy Kai, he is an artist. He touched up the painting for us.
And
Remember
it's never
the
looked as good as it does now.
Do you remember what the
It
space
was, you know,
before?
it was like soji doors. Is that?
Yeah.
So right here, and then it kind of cut off the area, and then now it looks much bigger
Yeah.
because of the open concept.
Whole house got pushed out that way. And then we had to move the staircase because it was right where you were standing.
Yes.
And it broke up the
whole-
entire space.
Which is why we moved the front door over a little bit.
Of course.
Yeah.
It was always dark.
Dark. Yes, it was dark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there was so much wood texture and tones in this house. I wanted to bring the wood back, and that's why I did it right here with this feature wall.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
So we didn't move the kitchen.
Kitchen's
the
in the
kitchen's
same
still
spot.
there.
But it's still,
Yes.
But we
like
expanded.
extended
it. Yeah.
What do you guys think of the dark wood cabinetry?
it's wonderful.
This entire neighborhood is a very like mid-century.
So we leaned into that and just modernized it.
All the neighbors have to do their updates. now.
Yeah. Set the bar.
Isn't it so cool? So this is all the art that was downstairs.
I mean, whenever we have an opportunity to carry on the history of the home, we want to do that. And
Yeah.
these paintings were perfect.
The arrangement is perfect as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
This is incredible. You know, you're working
Yeah.
and all of a sudden you see, you
Isn't
know,
that, look at that. It's phenomenal. Can you
This
imagine?
is where the wall was.
yeah.
Yeah.
And this was
Yeah.
all the outside patio that had been enclosed.
Yeah, now it's super usable, you know?
Let's head down
Yes.
the hallway.
So that bathroom was always there. We just modernized it.
It looks great. I mean,
Yeah.
it looks normal.
Yeah.
So to speak.
Yeah.
And we added another sink, so now there's two sinks in
Two
here.
sinks.
So this one is the first bedroom up here, and it's staged as an office.
Oh, actually, this was my bedroom.
Was this your
this
bedroom?
is your bedroom.
No way. This was yours.
You took care of this very small, you know, bedroom, and
Yeah.
it looks wonderful. It wasn't like this. I mean, both windows here are
You get
flow,
cross
good flow.
breeze,
Yes.
good
Good
flow.
flow.
Yeah,
Yes.
views again.
Yeah.
So primary up here.
Oh my gosh.
So this is now a walk-in closet. My favorite part of this upstairs is the ensuite.
Oh my God. The way you did it without the tub
Yeah.
is perfect. Oh, this,
Yeah, you got body jets.
and then you get the
Yeah.
ceiling.
Just like a rain.
Yeah, rain shower head. So downstairs was unfinished.
Downstairs was a challenge for us for sure, but I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
Okay.
Yeah. The biggest transformation yet.
Transformation.
Dark
It-
and
it was like a dungeon.
Yes,
Yes,
I
it
didn't want to
was.
say it. So we embraced the ledge, and now it's a full-on built-in
Built-in.
for entertainment. This is a wet bar, so
So-
totally usable.
A lot of room.
Yeah.
A lot of room.
But yes, now you have this indoor-outdoor situation, right? And you can enjoy this as another living room.
Originally, we had the stairs basically came down right here.
So,
Wow. When you set this thing up,
Yeah.
it's like a professional studio here.
So
Yeah.
when we were clearing out the house, this is where we found all of this art.
Yeah.
So
so
this
beautiful.
was all here.
you so
None
much.
of it was going in the trash. That was
Yes.
for sure. It was all coming back into this home.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
My mom is smiling. I'm sure she is.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. That's all we want.
My wife and I, we were empty nesters and we built it ourselves. It's never looked any better before. It's a tribute to our family who used to live here.
So my dad's coming right now to bless the home. We do that on every house. I would love for you guys to stick around if
We
you
will.
can.
We will.
Oh,
Thank you.
great, great. Yeah, they should
Awesome.
be here any minute.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Come on in. Hi, baby. Hi. How are you? Mwah. What's up, Dad?
This is beautiful.
Kai, come this side.
Come on, Kai. This is my other son that you folks never knew I had. Una aku mo aku apau I hanau ia I ka pohi ka lahiki ku. That's our blessing. Mahalo, everyone.
Right on, Dad.
Thank you.
It's been 1 week since we've listed Manoa. We've had a bunch of private showings, one open house that had 200 people come through. We got 4 offers on the property and we accepted an offer above list price at $2.16 million. Originally bought the house for 1.25. We gave ourselves a 12-week timeline and a budget of $250,000. Ended up going over budget and over timeline, and we ended up spending $300,000 on the renovation. So when we close, after holding costs, money costs, and commissions of about $350,000, we're gonna make a profit of $260,000.
Woohoo.
Nice.